Hello everyone and welcome to my channel More to Chess. In this video I am going to analyze the game between Wesley So and Levon Aronian from New in Chess Classics 2021 from Knockout Day 1. Okay, in this video we are going to see a very unusual blunder from Wesley So and then resign the game. So let's start the game. Here Wesley starts with the move d4. Levon played knight f6, knight f3, d5, bishop f4. This is the London system opening. c5, attacking the central pawn. e3, supporting the central pawn, activating the bishop. Knight c6, knight b to d2, c takes d4, e takes d4, and now a6. a6 is very unusual opening move. It is played very less often on the top levels. Now c3, bishop to g4, pinning the queen, queen to b3, attacking the b7 pawn and the d5 pawn. Knight a5, attacking the queen and also saving the b7 pawn. Queen c2, e6, bishop d3, trying to maintain the pressure on the h7 pawn and also ready to castle. Bishop e7, knight e5, attacking the bishop. Bishop h5, castle. Black played castling, which is an inaccurate move here. The best move here is to play rook c8 because if you play castle then white will play b4. You can both knight c6 and knight c4 is bad. As you can see, after knight c4, knight d cross c4, d cross c4, and then bishop cross c4, white is a pawn up. And after knight c6, knight cross c6, b cross c6, and knight b3, both the a5 and c5 square is nicely blocked by the knight on b3, and white enjoys a very comfortable position. So that's why castle is an inaccurate move here. But otherwise, white plays rook f to e1. He missed the chance to play b4. Now black played rook c8, knows the threat of the b4 move. Then bishop g5, trying to attack the knight and also attacking h7 pawn, trying to eliminate the defender. Knight to c6, bishop cross f6, he eliminated the defender. Bishop cross f6, and now bishop cross h7 check. King h8, bishop d3, and now knight cross d4. You cannot take the knight because of the discovery. So queen to a4. Now knight to c6, attacking the knight on e5. Knight takes c6, rook takes c6, and here Wesley played rook e2, and very unusual blunder by a super GM. He is giving a clear exchange without any compensation. Bishop takes e2, bishop takes e2. Instead of rook e2, any move like knight f1 and then knight, these two is far better. But he played rook e2, bishop takes, g6, trying to secure the king on the g7 square. Knight f3. Now anything is winning for black because he is completely exchange up, and there is no threat, no compensation for white for an exchange. King g7, h4, trying to attack. e5, playing in the center. Rook d1, trying to prevent d4, and now playing e4, attacking the knight. Knight d2, and now queen b6. supporting the d4 pawn breakthrough. And in this position here Wesley So resigns, because after d4 there's nothing to play here for. White has no any compensation to play for. Okay, so that's all for today. If you enjoy the video, please give a thumbs up. Yeah, thank you.